how to upload your videos to YouTube. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technologia, and today I'm going to show you how to upload your videos to YouTube. To upload videos, you need to have a YouTube channel. If you have a Google account, you already have access to one and can use YouTube. The first step we're going to take is to access YouTube. We're going to click on this camera icon in the top right corner and then click on Upload Video. Here we can either select a video file or drag and drop it. We can see that it's now uploading. Once the upload is complete, YouTube will start processing the video. At this point, we'll be able to watch a preview and we'll have the video link. Now we have the video information to fill out, such as the title and description. It's important that your description is comprehensive and includes information about what's in the video. Below, you'll have the option to upload a custom thumbnail or select one that YouTube automatically generates for you. We have the option to add this video to a playlist, which you can also create. Here, we can choose whether the content is suitable for children or not. You need to disclose if you're receiving payment from a third-party company for creating this video. We have the option to create chapters, which are those highlights on the video timeline. These allow your viewers to easily navigate to specific moments in your video. Further down, we have tags, which are crucial for making your videos more discoverable. It's recommended that you add tags that are relevant to what's discussed in the video. We also have options to add subtitles, select the category your video belongs to, and manage comment moderation. Now let's move on to the next step of the video. After that, we have some more features such as adding subtitles to your video and inserting an end screen which appears as soon as the video finishes to refer viewers to another video of yours, for example, or a subscribe button for your channel. Let's move on to the next step. Here, your video is checked for any copyrighted content. In the final step, you can select your video's visibility and schedule when it will be posted. At the beginning of our video, we showed how to upload the video and how quickly a preview link is generated. We have great news regarding this. JMV Technology now offers this feature where you can upload your video and start watching it as soon as the conversion begins. This tool is called Live Conversion, which allows you to make your videos available to viewers at unprecedented speeds. By clicking this option, you can immediately copy the video link to watch and even copy its iframe to embed on your website or platform. Scan our QR code to check out our on-demand plans, which already include this incredible tool. That's all for now. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please like our video and follow us on social media.